Hello, everybody. I'm Rudrani, and of course, so excited to be at the Red Carpet event that truly celebrates great performances, great series of OTT. I am with the lovely Sanjana, who's looking like absolute dream right now, and who's also gotten some very interesting role, including OTT. I feel like it has impacted your life, hasn't it? So much.
100% it has. I think it's positively impacted all of our lives. Like so many young actors here today, where so we all debuted in the pandemic, and if it weren't for OTT, and today Karak Singh has lots of nominations, so I'm quite nervous actually.
You are, and it was not an easy role to do. You had to emotionally kind of bear yourself. Are you feeling a little validated that when you do things like this, it kind of gets loved?
Of course. I think for me that film was a huge validation just because of how beautiful the journey was. But today, we're in best film, best director, all of that. So that validation has its own place, and it's the iconic Black Lady. So there's no taking away from that.
The iconic look with the iconic black lady. All right, some fun questions. Are you ready? Okay, an actor with whom you would like to swap your life with. Who would that be and why?
Swap my life with. Oh my God. I think you heard me say this before, but I will say Anushka Sharma because I've forever been inspired by her. Whether it's her choice in film, the way she lives her life, everything.
Who, according to you, is the most daring and bold actor when it comes to fashion choices?
Oh my God. I would say Shobita. She's a dear friend, and I feel like what she looks like, she embodies a different vibe every time.
You said Shobita. Can we say how pretty she looked as a bride?
It was stunning.
Perfect. She always said she wanted Telugu-ness in her wedding, and oh my God.
It was so raw and so beautiful, and you could see like joy on her face. I loved it.
We are very happy for you, Shobita.
Yes.
Okay, quickly. If there is one character that you'd love to play, what would that be and why? From the ones that we have this year, you'd be like, oh, this would have been so amazing.
I would have, maybe this is like a personal bias, but I just met Imtiaz sir, and just for the sake of being directed by him, Pariniti and Chamkila.
Paratal, of course, loyalty. Did you see that? Okay, what is one role that no one's offered to you and you really want to do it? Like a category. You know what I mean?
Oh, a category. I think at least my family and friends tell me hardcore comedy. Because I have this weird dry sense of humor. So I would love to kind of, bring that alive on screen.
I love it.
Yeah.
The last one is a quality or a hidden talent that no one knows you have, but you do.
A hidden talent. I feel like my ability to, I can hear 5 or 6 different conversations at the same time and process them. Literally. I will be, yeah, I don't know how it happens, but it does. It's almost a weakness.
I am impressed. It is not a weakness. It comes in very handy.
In our line
And
of work.
in your line of work, you exactly know what people are talking about.
Yeah.
And also, you sieve through it, right? Like you move through it. Listen, girl, superpower, right?
Yeah.
Feeling it. I'm feeling it. Thank you. It's always wonderful. You're absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much.
Have a beautiful night.
I am here for a lot of people, a lot of actors celebrating their work, celebrating the Black Lady, and she is so in theme and looking gorgeous. Look at her laugh. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Look at that. Look at that. But I think it's fantastic, right? Like, you have got to explore your potential as an actor on OTT. And you get to see where OTT can take you as an actor. It kind of feels surreal.
Yeah, definitely. I have been fortunate enough to have my work out in the cinemas as well and on OTT platforms as well. And I've also seen this industry very closely around the pandemic, which is when OTT really had its biggest boom. So it's been really incredible, and I'm just grateful that I get to see it all happen and I get to be a part of it.
We'll have to take some pics. Tell me, what have you loved this year?
What have I loved in general?
In performances, like some films, some series of OTT that you thought like incredible. I wish I had it.
Oh, I think there was a lot of really fun, great Gen Z-ish content that came onto OTT platforms like Kho Gaye Hum Kahan and Call Me Bay also, and stories like that. I think that was really fun and fresh in its approach. I think that was amazing. And other than that, there were some incredible performances in movies like Janeja and so many more. I'm thinking right off the top of my head, but yeah, it's been a good year for OTT.
Okay, some fun questions. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Obviously. Always, always. Okay. A secret talent or a skill that nobody knows that you have and you have it.
No, I don't have any secret talents. If I had a talent, it's on my Instagram. I don't like, I don't have any talents to hide. No. I mean, the talent I hope that everyone else sees is just little more acting.
Here, please give her those.
Yeah. Come find it. Take it. Yeah.
Okay. An actor who you'd really find inspiring for the youth today. Male, female, anybody.
Inspiring for the youth. I mean, I think Karthik's story is really incredible. You know, someone that, you know, came from, was a complete outsider and has, you know, just been growing and growing every single year and just keeps outdoing himself every single year. I think that's a really inspiring story for just about anyone. Yeah.
If you had to swap your life with another actor, who would you pick and why?
Oh, good question. Who would I want to swap my life with? Like, not my full life, but maybe like for a day or two. Or, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Who do you think I should swap lives with? Would be good fun. I'll go with the crowd. Why? I like it. Because who else would you actually want to swap lives with, right? It's a great one. I'll say Priyanka Chopra then. It's my answer for everything. Yeah. I was like, I'm answering this answer too many times. So I was like, let me do something different. I'll come back to my roots.
SRK and Priyanka. Let's put it. Period. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great night ahead, and I love you. Bye, my love. Like I've been saying, I am always excited to be in this red carpet because you have the best of OTT being celebrity, and there's nobody who is doing such fascinating roles and characters. Among them is a person whose life changed post OTT, and I know you love him. Look at Amol being like all, I own it.
Thank you. What an introduction. Thank you.
This is your playground.
I mean, yeah, you could say that. I try to be humble, but yeah, अपना ही है सब.
अपना ही है सब.
सब अपने लिए आए हैं.
But I have to say this, right? It did change your life immensely, and I think it continues to, because मुझे लगता है people stopped looking at you in a certain way and they were like, ये कुछ भी कर सकता है, इसको बहुत सारी चीजें दो.
Yeah, of course, that has happened, and I would say कि not just for me, a lot of people, a whole generation of actors, because बहुत सारे लोग मतलब पब्लिक के लिए होता है कि अरे इसको यहाँ पे देखा, ये अब आया, अब नहीं आए भाई. वो हम लोग 10-10 साल से हाथ में हाथ पकड़ के धूल खा रहे थे, मिट्टी खा रहे थे, and the kind of work and the kind of how people used to look at us was different. I mean, very honestly, people never looked at us as कि ये हीरो बनेगा या ये वो बनेगा. But the kind of stories that OTT came up with, the kind of characters that OTT came up with, the kind of worlds that OTT shows and films created, you know, a little more. मतलब not everybody needed to have 8 packs to be in the film, which is a good thing. वो बहुत मेहनत लगती है. नहीं बहुत मेहनत लगती है. मुझे पता है, मैंने कोशिश की है. बहुत मेहनत लगती है और मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I admit it. But at the same time, you know, we also want to work. We also want interesting characters, interesting stories, and that I think OTT has provided to a lot of us. So many of us are walking into Filmfare right now wearing suits, in fancy cars, with our makeup and PR and all. I don't think these number of opportunities existed before OTT. तब 40 में से 4 लोग का ही होता. आज 40 में से 35 लोग यहाँ पे हैं. So that is something I really credit OTT for.
100%. If I let you go, I'll have to ask. Amol, there have been some incredible performances this year. What have you really liked and you felt inspired by actually?
Yeah, there's so many actors. I think more than specific performances, it is actors that I think who do not just one performance, but performance from performance, how they evolve and what they're doing. थोड़ा ऐसा चीज़ी लगेगा बिकॉज मैं दोस्तों के नाम लूँगा. अब सब दोस्त हैं तो मैं क्या करूँ, यू नो. अच्छे भी हैं, अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं तो क्या करें. दे डिजर्व टू बी वेयर दे आर एंड दे डिजर्व टू डू ऑल द वर्क दे आर डूइंग, एंड मे बी इवन मोर, बिकॉज अभी तो वी आर ऑल यंग एंड वी आर ऑल इवॉल्विंग. अभी तो बहुत कुछ देखना बाकी है. सो ऑल द एक्टर्स, आई जस्ट सॉ अभिषेक बैनर्जी देयर वॉकिंग द रेड कार्पेट इन हिज फैंसी सूट. वही आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. 10 साल पहले हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि भाई देखते हैं किसकी किस्मत निकलेगी, बट आज हम सबकी किस्मत निकली हुई है. सब साथ में सूट पहन के यहाँ पहुँचे हुए हैं, फिल्म फेयर में आ गए हैं और बड़े बड़े इंटरव्यूज़ दे रहे हैं बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ, और ये सबको मौका मिल रहा है. सो अभिषेक है, विजय हैं, जयदीप हैं. आई लुक एट दीज एक्टर्स एंड लाइक यार मिल रहा है, कितनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रही हैं, एंड दे आर एबल टू चूज देम एंड दे आर एबल टू यू नो गो बियॉन्ड. और करेंगे, आई एम श्योर वो और करेंगे. अभी तो शुरुआत है.
People look at you and talk about the epicness of Chitwan, and that'll always be there. That'll always, you've immortalized that. So I think they should show you the similar kind of love. I'm very proud of you, like I always say every year. Have a great night ahead.